Have you got music?
Yes. No.
Yes, no, okay. Have you gotten art?
I think so.
Have you gotten science?
I think so.
I'm going to try and decide art or science. I think I'm going to be science. What's the snake thing? Yeah.
Can you come pull that red ring up? And then just put it right back down. Pull it up slowly. Not that slowly.
Is that good?
I think so.
And that's what you want the robot to do. Except not from that
We
angle.
think.
Yeah.